In this video, we show you how to mount the BOS Engine Protection Skidplate Pro on the BMW R1300 GS and GS Adventure. This is the BOS Engine Protection Skidplate Pro, black-coated. We begin by removing the original skid plate. To do this, loosen the 4 bolts on the underside of the motorcycle. Make sure to hold the skid plate while loosening the last bolts to prevent it from falling. Next, mount the BOS skid plate using the same mounting points and the original 4 bolts. This is how you mount the BOS Engine Protection Skidplate Pro. Enjoy the ride.